Welcome to this tutorial on making your WordPress site mobile friendly in just a few minutes. In this tutorial you will learn how to adjust your site to look great on mobile devices using a series of straightforward steps. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Click this login button to start the process of accessing your WordPress dashboard. After clicking login, a new interface appears with several options for signing in. Select the option that says Continue with Google. This feature streamlines the login process by allowing you to use your existing Google account, eliminating the need to remember a separate username or password. When you click on Continue with Google, a screen appears asking you to choose which Google account you would like to use. If you are signed into multiple Google accounts, simply select the one you have connected to your WordPress account. This selection process is designed to be user-friendly and secure, giving you quick access to your administrative area. Once you are logged in and on your WordPress dashboard, it is time to set the stage for mobile optimization. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will see an icon resembling a laptop. Although this icon might seem associated with desktop view, clicking it will allow you to switch your preview mode. This mode switch is crucial because it enables you to see how your website will appear to visitors using different devices. After clicking the laptop icon, the interface changes to let you select various device views. In this case, click on the mobile option. This selection updates the preview, showing you a mobile simulation of your website. Working in this view gives you the advantage of directly seeing any adjustments you may need to make for a better mobile experience. With the mobile preview active, you can now focus on fine-tuning the appearance of individual elements on your site. Click on any element you wish to adjust and then resize it so that it fits well within the mobile display. This step is essential for ensuring that images, text, and other components are legible and well arranged on smaller screens. After adjusting the individual elements, direct your attention to the right panel where you will find the Style tab. Click on the Style tab to access various customization options such as fonts, colors, and settings related to layout. Within this tab, locate the Dimensions section. Here you can modify the size parameters of different design elements. This precise adjustment ensures that spacing, alignment, and proportions are optimized for a mobile audience. By following these steps, you ensure that your website not only looks professional on desktops, but is also easily navigable on mobile devices. Enjoy the improved aesthetics and functionality of your optimized site across all devices.